to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. I'm going to be doing a hair review today on this hair stem from Tinashehair. So if you like videos like this, make sure to leave me a thumbs up. If you have any questions that I did not comment, leave those down below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So I wanted to say thank you to Tinashehair for sending me out this hair to review. So starting out, your wig is going to come in a satin bag filled with goodies. So you are going to get a wig cap, which I'm going to be using today, eyelashes, and then a hair bonnet. So this is going to be their short bob wig. It's going to be a 13 by 4 lace front unit. It is in 12 inches. It's 150% density. So you have 3 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with the adjustable straps. I did bleach the knots on this unit, and that is how the unit looks after it has been washed. So your unit will come straight out of the pack once you do receive it. It does have Swiss lace, and the lace has a light brown tint to it. So to start out, I'm going to go ahead and just straighten this unit. I am going to be using some heat protecting spray as well as my Chi Silk Infusion serum to go ahead and straighten out this bob. I did want to go ahead and straighten it before putting the unit on because it would be easier for me to see and get the back straight how I want it. So that's why I went ahead and put it on my mannequin head. I did use my Conair Infinity Pro to straighten this unit. I will leave everything in the description box down below if you do want to check anything out. So yes, I'm just gonna go ahead and straighten this unit. I'm not gonna straighten the top because I'm not good at parting my hair and styling it on the mannequin head, so I like to leave the top for last after I've installed the unit. So with this unit, it does come pre-plucked, and it also has baby hairs. So I'm gonna just show you what it looks like once you do receive your unit. And as you can see, this unit, it has a natural density to it. It has 150% density. So I'm showing you right now how it looks pre-plucked once you do get this unit. So like I said, I'm going to be using a wig cap that this unit came with to go ahead and install this unit. And I was showing you that I did burn the ear tabs over on the side. So be careful when using your hot comb. I'm going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 362 Truffle only on the perimeters of that ball cap just so that I can get it to match my hairline. So as you can see, I did not apply any powders or foundation on the lace at this moment because it looks really, really good. So like I said, I also had to go ahead and cut 3 sections because the cap, it kind of fit a little bit big on my head. So in order for me to get the wig to lay how I wanted to, I did have to lay down the wig in sections. I did apply some skin protectant, and then I am using my Collateral Beauty lace glue, which you can check down in the description box down below. I'm going to be doing 2 layers on each side. And then I'm going to take my Got Be Glue freezing spray and spray that on the lace. And then I am going to pull that lace down and use my hair dryer on cool air. I just wanted a extra security with this unit, so that's why I use the Got To Be Glue freezing spray. I'm going to go ahead and cut the ear tabs on each side, and I'm going to repeat the same exact steps. Once everything is dried, I do like to pluck my units before cutting out the lace. I'm going to be plucking this unit about 3 times throughout this video. I'm never satisfied with how my unit looks after I pluck it. So I do kind of just take my time to pluck my unit. After I plucked out just a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and cut the lace off using a eyebrow razor. you want to use an eyebrow razor or scissors, but you want it to have like a jagged edge. You do not want to cut straight across, so I like to use an eyebrow razor because it gives it a really jagged edge. If you do use scissors, just go in a jagged edge kind of motion, like a zigzag. That way you do not get a straight across motion, and that way you cannot see that lace. For any parts that are lifting up that I did not get, I did go back in with that glue, and now I'm putting that powder on top. For me, I like to use I got the glued freezing spray on top of any powders that I do use because I feel like it seeps the powder into the lace. So you see how it looks powdery on the right side. Once I do put that, got the glue freezing spray, and then when I tie this unit down, it melts the lace into the skin with using a powder. So I do love that. So I'm going to go ahead and tie this unit down. I like to pull out baby hairs whether I use them or not because I feel like it gives it a flat install. I did go ahead and do my makeup off camera. I think it was probably about 30 minutes. So now I'm taking off that elastic band and I'm going to be working on the baby hairs. So like I said, I like to just take some baby hairs out. I'm not using those ones in the front. I'm only going to use the sides and the sideburns. And I'm just following my natural hairline. So I'm going to take my edge booster to go ahead and lay those down. And like I said, you will see me pluck throughout this video. So like now I do pluck the baby hairs just to get them a little bit thinner than what they are. After that, I'm taking my Cara wax stick now to go ahead and do the top. Like I said, girl, my part would be all over the place trying to do a middle part had I did it on my mannequin head. So that is what I am doing now, and I'm also going to flatten and go through and straighten that top hair out. So that is what it looks like. Brush looks so freaking pretty, silk pressed. That's my hair, okay? That is my hair. So now I'm going to take my mascara just to fix some of those spots where the bleach is a little bit too brassy. After that, those front pieces, they are a little bit short compared to the rest of the hair. So I did just kind of flip those because I thought it would look very pretty. And I do love how it looks. Like it looks so freaking pretty. I freaking love it. So on the website, it does show that for a 12-inch, it is going to be $107.83. They do accept PayPal of 4 payments of $26.96. So all information will be listed down below in the description box below. And that is going to be it for this review. Like I said, the hair looks so freaking pretty. Like you just got a silk press. It looks so freaking good. So I will leave their information down below in the description box. So thank you to Tinashehair for sending me out this unit to review. Because girl, it looks like my hair, like I went to the salon and got it straightened and blown out and pressed, okay? So thank y'all again for watching this video. Like I said, I will leave any coupon codes down below. Make sure to check them out once again, and I will see you guys at my next video. Bye.